In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write epics in Jira. Creating epics in Jira is a powerful way to organize and manage large bodies of work within your projects. Let's start by opening Jira and heading to your Scrum or Kanban board. Depending on which methodology you use, you'll want to click on either the backlog for Scrum or the board for Kanban. These are your go-to spaces to see the big picture of your project and where new epics fit into your workflow. Once you're in the right spot, look up at the top navigation bar and click on the Create button. This is where you'll start constructing the new epic. You'll be prompted to select the issue type, and here you'll choose Epic. This designation helps Jira understand that what you're creating is not just a simple task or subtask, but a larger scale initiative that might encompass multiple stories and tasks. Next, it's time to give your epic a name and a succinct summary. The epic name should be a short, descriptive title, something like User Authentication System. This name will be your quick reference across the Jira board. Following that, you'll want to craft a brief one-liner summary which explains the core purpose of the epic, such as improve user security with a two-factor authentication system. Moving on to the epic details, you'll dive deeper by providing a description that outlines the epic's purpose, scope, and goals. This part is crucial because it gives everyone involved a clear understanding of what the epic is trying to achieve. Start by articulating the goal. Why is this epic needed? Here, you want to highlight the motivations behind the project and the problems it aims to solve. Next, define the scope by detailing the features that will be covered. This sets boundaries for the epic, ensuring that everyone knows what's included and what's outside its purview. After that, come up with clear acceptance criteria. This step ensures that there's a shared understanding of what constitutes done for the epic. For instance, you might include criteria like two-factor authentication is implemented, users can enable or disable 2FA from their settings, and recovery options such as email or SMS are available. Now it's time to assign the epic to a team member or product owner who will be responsible for overseeing its progress. You'll also want to set a priority level of high, medium, or low to indicate the epic's importance relative to other work items. Once your epic is fully fleshed out and created, don't forget to add any related user stories, tasks, or bugs under it. These are the granular pieces that will help you achieve the overall goals outlined in the epic. By following these steps, you'll have a structured way to manage complex projects within Jira, making it easier to track progress and ensure successful completion.